It's a life to remind you about marriage. Marriage is about bonding. What God had joined together, let no one put aside. Ang nagsama sa ng Diyos, huwag paglulang. Marriage is mystery to become one. After this wedding, Hannah May Hill will be Mrs. Fuji. And number 3, marriage is about building. Building a strong relationship takes a lot of love to each other, respect one another, and trust each other. And most especially, put God in the center of your marriage will be the foundation of your family. Masanari and Hannah May encourage you both to remain faithful to each other, persevere in love, faith in God, and love God. Hannah May, love your husband, be loyal to your husband. A loving, kind mother to your children in the future, and always be the light to your home at times of darkness and others. Sanari, love, respect, and honor your wife. I know sometimes your argument, disagreement, and will hurt her emotionally, but never ever lay a hand on your wife and set a good example to your children in the future to be a good father and a good provider for them. I know marriage is difficult and more challenging. May the God bless you about it. Okay. Masanari and Hannah May, are you ready to proclaim your love and commitment to each other? Couple, please stand up. Face each other. Masanari, raise your right hand.
I, Hannah, accept you, Masanari, to be my husband, and I promise to be covenant in front of God and His witnesses that I will become your lovable, faithful wife in abundance, in strength, in sorrow, in sickness, and in health, till death do us part.
Masanari and Hannah May, the symbol of your love and your commitment to each other is this ring. This ring signifies binding, it signifies commitment. Just like this ring, it's round, it has no beginning, it has no end. Just like your love for each other It should be for a lifetime, forever, only God can say. But before you exchange ring, to say your vow, your promise to each other. Remember your promise to each other?
あなたと出会って約2年以上経ったね。今日、この日を迎えることができて、とても嬉しいです。私の最初のアプローチを受け入れてくれてありがとう。私にはもったいない存在、かけがえのない存在です。たまに喧嘩することもありますけど、すぐに考えていける中で、これからいろいろとあると思うけど、2人でいきましょう。いつも可愛くて綺麗。今日は特別に可愛くて綺麗だね。これからずっと一生一緒に幸せな家庭を作りましょう。mahal na mahal kita.
Yun lang yung naiintindihan ko. Yung dulo lang. Ang galing nga. Yung dulo lang yung naiintindihan ko ah. Mahal na mahal kita, Hana.
Standing here today feels like a beautiful dream. Who would have thought that our story, which began with just a few days together in Japan, in 2024, would bring us here today, even though our time together was short. We never stopped choosing each other through every message, every call, and every mile between us. Our love only grew strong. Thank you for choosing me despite the distance, our different cultures, and every challenge we face. Thank you for loving me sincerely and making me feel safe, respected, and cherished. Today, I promise to stand by your side through every season of life. I promise to support your dreams, respect you always, and choose you every single day. No matter what, your life takes us, whether in Japan, the Philippines, or anywhere in the world. My home will always be where you are. I love you more than words can say, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. あなたを心から愛してる。
On the side, take the wedding ring. With the left hand, your finger, Hanami. Hanami. Where?
Magsusuotan na ng sing-sing. Tapos yung pinakikintay ng lahat. Alam niyo na guys. Yung kissing scene. Charot. Yun na. Nakita niyo si Father, ang social na ka-Amerikana.
For this ring,
Akala ko naka-api to siya.
for our love and commitment, which
Yung mga usual ng suot ng pari, alam niyo yun.
to wear as a symbol for unbreakable love.
Ayun na, kita niyo.
Are the parents around? Parents of the bride? Please come forward. Stand up for parents. Your parents. Okay. Come on. Pay respect, parents. Do it. You know, hug them, kiss them, give them your blessings. And welcome to the family. Okay, palakpakan po natin sila. couple, my parents, please be seated. Please be seated. May I call on the veil sponsor,